show me where the tape is. I can't see it.
Oh, right there. Patty.
I shouldn't have taped it, but I was afraid it would fall out. Okay. What do you think's in there? What's that? What are those? There's more. Look in the box.
Oh, cool. This one's for you, Pooch.
This is for you.
Hey, what?
And I get the this.
It's a moose.
A moose.
And what else is in there? What is that thing?
I don't know.
Well, what is it? Look at it.
There's this.
That's not a rope. What do you do with that?
It's something for a cat or a dog to walk on.
Yeah. Yeah? Why do we have that?
It's a leash.
Yeah.
For a
leash.
dog.
Yeah.
We're getting a dog?
Mom, we can get a dog.
You think we should get a dog?
Yeah.
No.
What if we got a puppy?
Yeah, let's get a little tiny puppy.
Or we could get a little poodle.
How about a little tiny weenie dog?
Or, hey Mom,
Yeah,
guess
little
what?
tiny weenie
Guess
dog.
what, Mom?
That's a great idea.
I went to see Granny.
Hold on,
yesterday.
don't tell me any stories yet, okay?
A rope. So sorry.
Mama, I want to open a present by myself.
What?
No, sit down on the floor.
Hang on, let me see.
Noel,
What?
sit
Daddy.
on the floor.
Daddy.
Jolie, sit back in front of the tree, please.
Daddy.
Your mom's going to bring you something.
Daddy. Oh, she Noel.
I have one more present. Oh, don't flip it over.
Oh. Oh, it's a dog.
Check it out, Daddy.
Oh,
Be
we got a
very-
dog.
It's a little baby.
Oh,
I love this.
Oh,
he's cute.
he is very small. He's only 5 weeks old. Be very careful.
Let's name him Puff.
Hey,
Puff. How about Linus? Because he's a Christmas dog.
Okay.
Okay, Linus.
Very
Or
good.
we can name him Weenie.
That's a
We
great
can't pick
idea.
him up.
Weenie the Pooch.
We could walk. Well,
So you think you'll be very scared of him, Noel?
no.
He's a cute little thing.
Noel, get back down there by his face.
Oh.
Yeah, take your picture with